I'm gonna rip your cheeks off.
Yo, that's my job.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back with another episode of Windbreaker, and then today's episode is called The Hero of My Drums. You know, we're gonna find out if it's gonna be his hero or someone looking up to homie Sakura. I mean, we'll see. You know, last episode they went crazy.
Yes,
we saw him hands getting caught.
Dude, that's crazy.
That dude with the little bandage on his cheek got murdered. Cause let's just say he's never gonna appear again.
Bro, I don't think he has a face anymore, dude. That's obliterated.
He's gonna be like, Daddy, someone beat me up. Shit, this other dude.
Watch his daddy be like someone big, bro.
Oh, hell
Watch
no.
me block you, bro. Son, get the.
Oh, not the pitbull, bro.
Bro, get Dixie, bro.
Not Dixie, not Princess.
Get Princess. That'd be funny. Bro, the final boss of Woodbreaker.
I'm about to think you guys are watching. Let's just get started.
He's chilling.
What?
Oh, he's a horse. What the fuck?
Bro, talk about Princess, bro. He's a horse.
No.
I slept in the afterlife.
Damn.
Damn, bro.
You're actually fine. Bet you she used to be a bad gangster back then, bro. Back in her prime, bro. She used to go
She
crazy.
be bad as fuck.
Thank you for the breakfast. I appreciate it.
Got him, bro.
Because he went there early as hell, I'm assuming.
Oh, yeah. Why you saw the bro's gonna get hit on, bro?
This man got a bob. This man got a bobby. Oh.
Fucking fell. That dude.
Chill, bro. What did he do to you? Bro, he just stole that shit, bro.
He stole that shit.
He stole everything.
He stole everything, bro. Has tags on it.
Bro, imagine not being able to reach her back. That's crazy as hell.
That's me for real.
Fine away. Never mind. He just didn't take them off.
I'm gonna fuck the shit out of him.
What? Oh.
You wanna catch hands?
Oh my fucking. He thinks he's stressed because of his white hair.
Bro, I feel that.
She a baddie, bro.
She is, bro.
Am I gonna put his death note?
This is Death Note, bro.
Oh, top secret is no. What about it? What? Is this just a gangster school?
Oh shit, that's top dude. That's his daddy, bro.
Bro, at the school, I got held back, bro. Oh, he wants to take the top spot. Bro, you forgot tomato, sir. Oh. Oh.
Oh, bro.
What? Oh my fucking.
Oh my god.
Bro, say.
Oh. You as well?
Bro.
I can't trust him with hands.
Bro.
Oh, he's probably gonna be the guy that operates the gangs or
Oh,
something.
bro, that would be smart.
You did coordinator.
You go over there.
Oh, that wasn't an orange. It was I thought that was a tomato at first, because I said you're missing a tomato, sir.
Bro.
Chicken mouth. Oh, is that true? Damn, he thinks he's lame. What's up? Isn't it purple? Brown. He said purple. Really? I actually did not know that.
I didn't even know it was red. What the
I
fuck?
just assumed purple just for randomly. So is that how you actually make coffee?
I thought you got for cocoa beans, bro. Minecraft lighter me.
You know how like there's some coffees where they make shit out of like actual
Oh, yeah.
shit? Yeah. Basically telling him to not make assumptions. Oh.
Yeah, that's Goku's son right there. He only cares about catching hands. Hey, yo.
What was you? That looks nice. Can I please have some? Free? Free? So they got conchas? Bro, give me one. Wow.
But I'm like, bro.
There we go. Free? Question mark? Give me that shit.
It's not like I like you or anything, Baco.
Exactly.
Ain't no shot in what? He's gonna come back with a full ass bag of everything.
This man can't take
Bro, too good.
Ain't no shot.
This man won't give him beer. I mean, alcohol.
Oh my god. Ain't no shot.
Bro, he got the Nikes, bro.
I was about to say.
He got the...
What is he gonna do if he doesn't catch hands? Drop everything in there.
No, I would eat that, bro. Look.
There's too much shit.
Don't worry about it. Eventually. Oh, no. Oh.
Chatting up a chick. What the fuck?
You sure you weren't going to do the R word?
That's usually what they try to do, bro.
At least he was right though. We can't fight. He's getting beat up right now.
Oh, at least he has balls? Question mark?
Just watch. He's gonna be a fucking monster. Never mind. He's actually beat up.
Dang.
そろそろ俺も怒るよ。人を傷つける者、物を壊す者、悪意を持ち込む者、何人も例外なく。
Where's the dude we need him? Kick their asses. The fuck?
いい加減話せ。
This is going on.
す
Oh,
ごいん
never
だよ。
mind.
暴風林だか暴風だか知らねえけどな。
He's gonna suplex him right
Oh,
now.
not the double hammer arm.
お前の方だ。
Oh!
I'm not gonna lie.
なんでお前が俺を助けるんすか。
You can't fight.
Basically.
無理か。お仲間が助けに来たのか。
助ける弱いくせに強いと勘違いしてるやつ
Yeah, yo.
Crack this
気
shit.
がする
なんだとこのクソガキが。一人のプレスだ。
Don't worry about it.
Watch him, bro.
Bro, here comes God!
He took down almost like... Oh.
Bro, epic bro moment.
すごい。
He has abs, bro.
But he died though. Where'd your glasses go?
I don't have any money on mute.
ありがとうございました。がっかりしたっすよね。こんな奴が暴風林に不倫にいたなんて。
勘違いすんな助けたわけじゃねえし
Bro. Fuck up!
これ
It was what?
中学の
It
頃
was a
damn.
gopher? Gopher?
A gopher. A gopher, bro.
不倫の人だった。
Oh, the homie.
かっこよかった。俺もああなりたい。
I would really expect you to learn how to catch a hand.
You can't use your hand, use your brain. Do a flank.
自分なりゃ逃げ出す喧嘩が弱えくせにメソメソしてんなよでもな策はねえんじゃねえの
Don't worry about it.
ああ、全然大丈夫です。
To realize this man dyed his hair.
Why does every street just grab a random fucking shopping woman, bro? I swear. Bro.
なんだよ
身長、体重、血液型。
What's your what's your way, blood type, hobby, skills, favorite type of girl?
Hey, yo.
足は26.5。まだまだ身長。
Damn!
広い、触るな、測るな。
I like that. This man can analyze just by looking at
いや、
them.
かっこいいなって思う人のデータ集めるのが好きなんです。
If anything, no, you're right. That
Bro.
might be a good idea because you can learn the weaknesses of like other dudes.
Yeah, based on their build or something like
Yeah.
that.
街のことや人のこととか案内しますよ。てっぺんまで。
All the way to the top? You want to
Yes.
go all the way to the top?
Bro, his first member.
Wait, is he gonna make his own game?
That'll be actually probably
Has to, though.
the way this is building up to
Plus,
probably.
like, he has to have like the same people that have the same like motives as he does.
Yeah, so he's probably gonna branch off of this guild. I mean, guild, fucking.
The guild.
Bro.
Bro.
Basically, like, I don't know.
What the fuck is this shit?
Oh, this is the leader. Oh,
喧嘩すると腹減るんだよ
I get hungry after a fight.
does it have chocolate in there? That looks tasty as hell.
Probably beans, bro.
Never mind. Look at Sakura trees as a Sakura.
Bro, look at the walls, dude. Fucking crows, dude. Who the fuck teaches here? I don't know.
The most ghettoest teacher, bro. Headquarters.
Oh, that's Reaper, cuz.
POV, you walk into a low-income school, bro.
Like class rosters.
やったー。さくらさん、同じクラスですよ。
There's only 4 classes because there's 4 sheets.
And the big-ass school has 4 classes?
I mean, what teacher there, girl? You wanna be in there?
Phantoms are in that bitch. What the
Don't
fuck?
worry about it. Imagine teachers catching hands, bro.
Oh my god.
おい何
Someone strong has to be in there.
手にもよってあの人と一
Why
緒
don't you be like the top dog?
さくらさん、一つだけ約束してくれません
I do not promise anything. I will catch hands no matter what.
クラスの皆さんとはフレンドリーに接し
On the fucking Reaper.
Hell nah. I'm fucking everyone in there. Not like that.
This
I'm
man
catching
gonna,
hands.
this man gonna be like, what's up, bitches?
Basically.
を敵に回したらどうするんすか
Don't worry about
Everyone
it.
can get it.
Bro, fucking cloud zombies in this bitch, bro. Fetch me their souls.
俺は喧嘩でてっぺん取りに
And
来た
there you go.
I'm here to get it. Oh,
What
my
the
god,
fuck,
my god.
dude? Bro's pulling,
What the
dude.
fuck? Wait, no, it's that guy from another time, isn't it?
Fine. She'd be like, well, no, it's not. This is
Oh,
a
no.
different guy.
いや、
I know his voice actor.
君がさくら
Who is it?
And this motherfucker, I forgot his name.
てめえは誰だ
すいません、この人興奮しやすくてそんなことよりあなたは眼帯に長い
I'm guessing this is the guy he was just... Maybe.
間違いないレオナルド・ディカプリオだ
He's Leonardo DiCaprio?
お前外国人なのかあ
アイアム
Yeah, but
日本人だよ
Oh.
ちなみにこの眼帯
His
は
iPad seals away my ancient Chinese spirit. So this man knows Chinese martial arts.
bro, that's crazy.
みんなは
So this man's Japanese right now.
あの人日蓮の中でも相
He's
当
quite what?
俺のことはそのくらいにしといて
Let me know
What
about
about
you.
you?
Let me know about you by catching hands.
聞いたよすごいじゃないか昨日の大通りの喧嘩の立役者なんだろ
Yeah, that's me. I just realized this isn't all male school.
Oh yeah, it is. It's all boy. I haven't seen a single girl, bro, except for the older women, bro.
さくらくんなんだよ
What's your lolly, bro? Just
This sounds like Mihodo. Sounds like Mihodo for some reason. I might be a bum about that though.
俺も
Ditto? No, that's the homie right there, Ditto. Bro.
とりあえずよかった
でもなんでこんなとこ来てんだよ
Because the other people are bitches.
ペン取りに来たんだよ
Sir.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh, bro, he jumped down, dude.
なくねえよ
How'd I do?
Who's your bitch ass?
White hair, please. Top dog, please tell me it's him.
Oh. No.
Who the hey yo!
Is this the guy you did in the intro? Right?
Bro, who's
Yes,
the assassin,
I
dude?
expect him to be good as fuck.
Oh, this is the guy he was worried about.
You see? Dude with long hair!
Oh.
Dangerous as hell.
The credits are already rolling. We're gonna see. We're gonna see a credit hands. We are gonna see credit hands. God damn! Copyright question mark.
Oh,
Oh hell no, he's supposed to heal too.
Did this man just say?
さすがは君
yes, sir.
そう来なくちゃ
It's time to fly.
さくらさんダメじゃないですか
What, spill all the food?
みんなからもらった食べ物喧嘩の前に投げて
Yeah,
I'm
bro.
saying, bro. It's your bitch ass.
お前を助けるためにとっさに投げちまったんだろ
That's true.
それはそれこれはこれっす
You're such a.
それにはあの後ちゃんと拾って全部食っ
Oh, nice. Never mind.
さくらさんって意外と律儀っすよね
Thanks, sir.
Why can he go?
This boy is literally just tough guy tsundere.
Obviously, he's not used to it. That's also part of the reason.
Yeah, that's true. He's only been treated like shit, right?
He's getting used to the kindness, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm glad he's breaking out of his shell a little bit. But here's the thing. I want to see him like massacre people again, dude. Yeah, rage mode, bro, like episode 1. If that happens, bro, with the whole school, that'd be crazy.
I got no problem with that. Just like whole gang fights, cause like you can't really see everything in action.
That's true.
That's why I like more 1v1's better.
Yeah, okay, when we're next episode, hopefully the fight for next episode goes crazy. With like the assassin looking guy. I'm gonna call him the assassin looking guy. He looks like an assassin. The long hair guy. Yeah.
Oh hell yeah, man.
I can't wait for next week. Glad we're all caught up now. What do you think, Chris?
Win peak. This episode, he got food.
He got food, bro. It's spilling all over the ground.
Obviously, the people on the street like him right now. They're like, well, you saved us. Thank you for everything. Now he's getting recognized, which is nice. So you can basically know each other, so you can get used to the kindness, I guess you can say. But also make him so he's attached to them, so probably something else is going to happen in that street. Buildings are probably going to get burnt down or something. He's just going to get pissed as fuck.
Anything, I just want to know what other hoods are there.
That's true. Because only this location is the Bufferin, whatever the fuck.
Yeah.
Right? That's what they're called?
Yeah, the
Buffalons, whatever the
Yeah,
fuck.
the buffaloes.
So, like, I want to meet like the older schools because they have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
They
they
have to
you have to go to their under their fucking turf though.
They're either gonna come to them or they're gonna go to them.
Probably.
That's
They're probably gonna come to them, to be honest, because they're like the nice group.
I mean,
someone strong.
if you piss them off enough, they will come to
Oh,
your
that's
ass.
true.
So
That's
it really
what you
depends.
think, sir.
I can't wait until Mad Dog. I was waiting for ass to show up. I didn't know it was gonna be this soon. If anything, they're just gonna be the same shit as Naruto and Sasuke. Just
Yeah.
be like, fuck you. Here you go.
Man, fuck you too.
Yes, sir. Start making out in there. I'm so excited for that to. Well, obviously the Mad Dog's gonna win. That's besides the point. I want to see how far.
He's gonna win?
Hell yeah.
The top dog in that class. The most dangerous person, not the top of the guild. I mean, fuck, I was
The
the
guild.
guild, the gang.
But still though, I mean, if you still get recognized as strong as hell,
Yeah.
that means something. But yeah, game is game.
Spoke again.
Bro, he spoke again.
Thank you guys for watching this week's second episode of Windbreaker. We're all caught up now. I mean, we can't wait to see it
Yeah,
again.
we can't wait for you guys to
It's
join us
honestly
on this
fucking good.
spectacle.
I actually like it a lot. We'll see you guys next week with another episode, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bang!